Okay, buckle up, because I am here to show you the coolest way of making money. If you're looking to earn some extra cash, stay tuned as we walk you through 8 amazing opportunities of using ChatGPT for earning money. Before I tell you about those ways, let me mention first that you can easily find those jobs on websites like Upwork, People Per Hour, Simply Hired, LinkedIn, etc. Just search on your browser and type what work you are looking for, and you will find a list of websites that offers the job. So without any further delay, let's begin. 1. Email writing. Well, ChatGPT can help you craft persuasive emails for various purposes. Think about companies needing HR emails or digital marketers sending out newsletters. You provide the input, and ChatGPT can produce the content. It's an easy way to earn on the side. Type in the prompt for email and ChatGPT will generate it. 2. Blogging, copywriting. Blogging can be lucrative, but it requires time and effort. Enter ChatGPT, your content creation assistant. Share keywords with ChatGPT and watch it generate blog posts. Publish these on your site, monetize with ads, and watch the money roll in. You can easily find blog or copywriting writing job from online websites as mentioned above. Type in the prompt for blog, such as write a blog post for the title, Global Warning. ChatGPT will generate the whole post for you. 3. Online tutoring, solving problems. Share your knowledge with the world. Use ChatGPT to create informative content on various topics. Turn these into articles, videos, or even answer student questions on platforms like Chegg. Your expertise paired with AI can bring you a decent income. Type in problems and ChatGPT will give you a solution. 4. Translation services. Breaking language barriers can be profitable. With ChatGPT-4's language skills, you can provide translation services for books, documents, or social media content. The world's languages become your earning potential. Just type translate the following content into Spanish or any other language and paste your content. 5. Create PPTs, PowerPoint presentations. Engaging presentations are essential. Let ChatGPT-4 help you craft compelling content. Remember, ChatGPT responds in text, so you'll need to use Python or VBA tools to convert the text into presentations. Type in the topic of your PPT and let ChatGPT do the work for you. It will give you an outline and code that you can use to create PPT. 6. Resume creation. Crafting the perfect resume can be daunting. Offer your skills in creating impressive resumes using ChatGPT-4. Choose the right template, input the details, and voila! You've helped someone land their dream job. Just say, create resume, and type in the detail. ChatGPT will do the rest. 7. YouTube channel. Have a brilliant idea but don't want to appear on camera? ChatGPT can help create engaging scripts for YouTube videos. Combine these with tools like Veed.io for videos that speak for themselves. Monetize your channel and watch the views turn into revenue. 8. Social media management. Managing companies need a strong social media presence. ChatGPT generates content ideas, catchy captions, and trending hashtags. If you're creative and savvy with AI, this could be your ticket to managing social media accounts and earning money. Just say that you need Instagram caption, and ChatGPT will generate it, no matter how many. So those are the easy ways to make money with ChatGPT. You can use it for lots of things, from writing to helping others. Remember, while ChatGPT helps, your ideas and work are super important too. Pick what you like, use ChatGPT, and start making money. If you liked this, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.